Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate market strategies with ThinkorSwim, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open ThinkorSwim and log into your account.
Navigate to the Market Watch tab on the top menu.
Select the Alerts subtab under Market Watch.
Click on the Create Alert button to set your first alert. Choose the criteria for your alert, such as price movement or percentage change.
Specify the security you want to track by typing its symbol into the designated field.
Set the desired conditions for the alert, like greater than or less than. Determine how you want to be notified when the alert is triggered.
Save your alert by clicking on the Create button.
Next, go to the Scan tab at the top of the screen.
Choose Stock Hacker to create a market scan.
Define your scan criteria by selecting filters like price, volume, or sector.
Click on Add Filter to include multiple criteria as needed. Once satisfied with your scan setup, click on Scan to see the results. To automate placement of trades, navigate to the Trade tab. Select the security you want to trade.
Click on Buy or Sell, depending on your strategy. In the Order Entry dialog, select Advanced Order to set conditions.
Choose First Triggered or OCO options to automate order execution.
Input your desired buy or sell limits and stop losses.
Review all settings for accuracy before submitting the order. Now, go to the Think Script editor from the Charts tab. Create custom scripts using ThinkScript to automate strategies. Write your script based on trading strategies or indicators.
Test your script in the strategy tester to ensure it performs as expected.
Once verified, apply the script to your chart for real-time analysis.
Lastly, monitor your automated strategies through the Monitor tab. Check open orders, execution results, and alerts within this section. Adjust your strategies as needed based on market performance.
Continue to refine and test your automation for optimal results.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.